Death row inmate Rodney Reed getting his day in court as he fights for a new trial. Reed doing time for the 1996 abduction, rape, and murder of Stacey Stites. He was convicted back in 1998. Reed has maintained his innocence now for more than 20 years. KVUE's Jenny Lee is live in Bastrop, where day one of Reed's evidentiary hearing was eventful today. Jenny.
Brian, you are correct. It was very eventful. We heard from 3 witnesses, and they had a lot to say. We heard from a forensic pathologist. We heard from a former Bastrop County Reserve officer and jailer, and we heard from an insurance agent. All witnesses that the defense say will help prove Rodney Reed's innocence. Now, the defense first witness, Dr. Andrew Baker, testified that the victim, Stacey Stites, was killed a lot earlier than previously stated. He also said that intact sperm can live a lot longer than what the original forensic pathologist testified. This is important because the defense says Stites was not with Reed, but with Jimmy Fennell, the victim's fiance, when she died. The defense second witness was a former jailer who testified that Fennell knew Stites was having sex with Reed. Wayne Fletcher said he did not come forward back in 1996 because he was scared of retribution from law enforcement. This piece of testimony is important because the state has always said that Reed and Stacey Stites did not know each other at the time of the murder. And finally, we also heard from an insurance agent who testified that while Fennell was working security for her company, she heard him say to Stites, "If you ever cheat on me, I will kill you." It's all evidence the family says they have known all along.
He's showing the world how they lied in court, you know, misled the jury.
Now, before the hearing, these are supporters. They held a prayer circle to support Reed and this entire process. This appeals hearing continues tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. This process expected to take place until the end of next week. So a total of 2 weeks. Brian, back to you.
A lot of eyes on that case. KVUE's Jenny Lee live for us in Bastrop tonight.
Absolutely.
Jenny, thank you very much for that report from Bastrop County tonight.